Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for F1 game error code 41123398850. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into their EA account in F1 24 game, but the error doesn't let them log in. According to our research, the error may occur because of login session issues, a pending game update, or interference from external storage devices connected via USB. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to log out of your EA account and then log back in. After logging back in, check for the error again. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. Simply go to your game settings and look for updates and install any pending updates. Then, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues and you are using any external USB or USB-C hard drive or thumb drive, try unplugging it. In many users' reports, we found that the game may misidentify the drive due to its anti-cheat system. So unplug any external drives and restart the game. Then check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.